Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Yahoo account without an email address or phone number. So the first thing you need to do is open any browser on your device. Then go ahead and search for Yahoo, and once it loads, head over to the login page. On this page, you need to enter your username. Since you don't have access to the email or phone number, just enter your Yahoo username here. After that, go ahead and click Next. Now, over here, click on Forgot Password. At this point, you'll see a few different options. The best part about Yahoo is that they give you the option to contact customer support, and they can help you recover your account. So all you need to do is click on I need more options, and there you'll see the option to call customer care. This is what usually fixes the problem, and in most cases, you'll be able to get your account back. Once you click on it, you'll see a phone number. Call that number, give them the one-time code they provide, and they'll help you sign back into your account and recover it. Alright, now if you're on a PC or laptop using the web version of Yahoo, the steps are pretty similar. Just open any browser and search for Yahoo. When you go to the login page, follow the same process we did on mobile. You can also search for Yahoo customer service directly in your browser. From there, click on Get Help from Yahoo Customer Support. Now, ignore the article suggestions and scroll down. Under the question, "Was this article helpful?" select No. After that, choose Other, and then clearly describe your issue. Basically, explain why you're unable to access your Yahoo account. Add as many details as possible and provide an email address or any contact information so their support team can reach out to you. Once you're done, click Submit Feedback. This is how Yahoo support will contact you and help you recover your account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can recover your Yahoo account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.